Hi there. Are you struggling to create a Facebook ads from your smartphone? If you stick around and watch this video to the end, I will show you the step-by-step to create an account from your smartphone. In this short video, you will learn a lot on how to create a Facebook ad campaign from your smartphone. If you don't know me, my name is Wahab Muibi, and I'm the CEO of Wablus Digital Agency and also a Facebook ad expert, where I teach people how to run a profitable Facebook ads campaign to sell their products and services. Let's get started. If you want to set up a Facebook ads from your phone, you will need two applications. The first application is your Facebook profile application, while the second one is Meta Ads Manager. If you don't have them on your phone, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your Apple one. So you download the Facebook app and also download the Meta Ads Manager. So this is an Android phone. I will go to Play Store. So in this Play Store, I'm going to search for Facebook. Now this is Facebook app. I've downloaded and I've installed it on my phone. So I don't need to install it again. So I'll just open it. So the second one is Meta Ads Manager. Meta Ads Manager. This is the Meta Ads Manager. The Meta Ads Manager is used to set up your ads from your smartphone and submit for preview. Then get approval, your ads will start running and start converting, bringing money for you. So now I have the two apps on my phone. So I'm going to open my Facebook. You log into your Facebook app. Now my Facebook is logging. Then I'll go to Meta Ads Manager. You log in your Meta Ads Manager as well. So it's loading. We wait for it to load. Now this is Meta Ads Manager. So the first thing you need to do when you get to this app is you select or you create an ad account. So I'm going to use this ad account for this training. As you can see, I've spent over 424,000 on this ad account to run a Facebook ad account, and it has given me ×5 of the ad spend. So when you want to run your Facebook ads, you need to have a goal. You need to have a goal, your business goal. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to do? Do you want to sell a product, or do you want to run a lead gen campaign? What exactly do you want to do on Facebook ads? So you need to have your goal, because Facebook also have a campaign objective. You need to tally your goal with your campaign objective goal so that it will work and Facebook will be able to achieve your goals for you. So now for this training, I'm going to set up a Facebook ads to sell a wristwatch, a Rolex wristwatch. So my campaign goal says why my business goal is to sell a Rolex watch. So in order for me to create the account, let me quickly walk you through the Meta Ads Manager. So the first thing you do, your left hand side up, you select your ad account. While you look at the right top, you see a plus sign. The plus sign is to select a campaign. To create your campaign, now I've selected the plus sign. So now this is create new campaign. This is the campaign objective. We have engagement objective. We have awareness objective. We have traffic objective. Then we also have a leads objective, and we have a sales objective, and we have app promotion objective. So, but what I want to do is I want to sell a wristwatch. So my objective is sales. You click on the sales, then the sales tab will open. It's loading. Now it has successfully loaded. We have 4 things that we can do here. The first thing is campaign details. Now the campaign details, I've selected my auction and sales objective. The second step, which is campaign name, if I want to name this campaign, I will name it. Don't forget I say I want to set up a Rolex watch, so I'll call it Rolex campaign. Then I'll click back, Rolex campaign. Then the special ad category. Special ad category simply means if this ads, it's a political ads or a campaign ads, you need to let Facebook know that this ads is for campaign, but this ads is for sales of Rolex. So you leave that special ads category. Then there's something I will call a budget, campaign budget. Do you want to set a campaign budget, meaning that you want to put the price here, but this is not the best place to put a price. If you know your campaign budget, that is the money you have available for this budget, it's limited. So you leave this place, leave the budget at 0, because you set it at the ad set level. So we have campaign level, we have ad set level, then we have ad creative level. So now what you just need to do here on the campaign level is to select your auction and the sales objective. Then you click next, which is the ad set. The ad set, I'm going to name the ad set. I will name it as Adset 01. Then you click back. Now the conversion, how do I want to run this campaign? Do I want to use a website funnel or a WhatsApp funnel? Now, a website funnel simply means I want to sell this wristwatch from a website, or if you don't have a website, you can sell this product via a WhatsApp. So now, if you click on the website, meaning you have a website address where you'll be selling the product, or you use a messenger where you will select a WhatsApp funnel. So, but in this case, I'm going to use a website. Now I've selected website. Then the conversion events. There's something that we call Pixel. Pixel is a tracking tool that Facebook install on your website to monitor the traffic behavior. People that comes to your website from Facebook, what do? Do they click on a particular page? Do they add the product to carts? Do they actually buy that product? So Facebook want to monitor all this process. So that is what Pixel is for. Then in the new update of iOS, there's an iOS that we call 14 iOS. The 14 iOS enable Facebook to track an iOS 14 version upward. So for Facebook to work smoothly, Facebook had to develop a new tracking system which is called Conversion API. So then the Conversion API will as well be tracking traffic on your website. Facebook will install the Conversion API via Pixel on your website to monitor any traffic that is coming from Facebook to your website. So now, if you have a Pixel install on this website, on your website, you can select the Pixel. Now I have a Pixel on my website. I've selected the Pixel. Then the events. What am I tracking? What do I want to optimize for? I'm optimizing for purchase. So I'll select purchase, my Pixel, and the purchase. A Pixel is another topic on its own. If you want me to treat the Pixel, you can simply drop your comments in the comment section that I should create another video for Pixel, so that I'll be able to teach you how you can set up your own pixel and your conversion API. So I have a pixel installed on my website already. So, and I've selected pixel, and I've also selected my optimization, what I want Facebook to do for me to purchase. Then the conversion event, purchase. Then how do I schedule? Means, do I want this ad to kickstart now? I want it to start now. So you leave it this way. Then under the audience, you come to audience, you select the location where you want to target. If I don't want to target Nigeria, if I just want to target Lagos State or an Abuja and Port Harcourt, I will edit, then put the location here. Instead of Nigeria, I'll just change the location to Lagos. Lagos. You see, we have Lagos State. I'll select Lagos State. If I want more location, I can put Abuja. Then if I want more, Rivers State. So Rivers State. So if this is just the 3 states that I want to target for this campaign, I will leave it. Then if you want to target more states, you can simply add more states there. Then in this detailed targeting, I'm going to edit the detailed targeting. Then in this place, the interests, I'll put luxury watch. So I'm looking for this is luxury watch. I've included luxury watch, you can see. Then exclude. I can exclude people that I don't want. I don't want 2G network people that use 2G. I don't want them. Then my age, I want people from 25 to 44. Then all gender. You can see I've streamlined my target audience. Your audience is defined and has an estimated audience size of 220,000 to 250,000 people. So this is my target audience. I've set my target audience. Then the placements, I'm going to use a manual placement where I will optimize for only mobile. Only mobile. Then I'll click next. So under this next, I've worked on the campaign level. I've set my auction and my sales objective. And also under the ad sets, I've created my audience and the places where I want to target. The state down now, this is the ad set level. This ad set level, this is where you put all your creative. Now the ad set name, I'll change the name to ad 01. Then the identity, which of this page, the identity means which page do I want to use to run this advert. Now I've selected my page on Facebook, then also my page on Instagram. Now the next thing is ad setup. Under this ad setup, now we have create a new campaign, then format, single image. I've selected single image. Then under the ad creative, this is where I will upload the image that I want. This is image. This is the image that I have on my page. So if I want to upload a new one, I can simply just upload. But let's assume I want to make use of any of this my image here. Let me just select one for this training. Okay, I've selected this fan. Now I've selected the fan. Then the headline is going to be hook. So this hook, now you just put the information about what you want to sell. So now let's say new launch, buy new Rolex watch. So then this headline, this is what is going to be there. Then in the primary text, this primary text still new launch, then buy luxury watch to look smarter. So let me just put this for this practical sake. Then the website, this is where my website, where I want to sell the product. So this is the website where I want to sell the product. Then I'll change the call to action. This call to action, since I'm selling, you don't have to use learn more. You use shop now. If you are selling a product, then you use shop now. So now I've set my campaign level, I've set my ad set level, and I've also set my ad level. So now I need to preview my ads. So this is my ads. So it's loading. If I'm okay with the setup, I'll submit for preview. And after a Facebook team preview it, they approve it, my ads will start running. So you wait for it to load. It's still loading. Still loading. But the best place to, now it says my permission error. So once you preview, it's going to display its network issue. Once it's display, then it will ask you to submit. Once you submit it, then your ads will start running. Now this is review. If you are okay with the ad setup, everything is what you want it the way it is, then you simply click review. Once I click on review, it's going to submit this ad to Facebook team for them to review and approve the ads. Then the ads will start running. So this is the end of this training. Kindly drop in the comment section what you think about this tutorial. If this tutorial helps you to set up your ads on your smartphone, kindly drop it in your comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Then also like this video, share this video to your loved ones, and also comment in the section if you want me to make another video on another topic. Let me know. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching.